Good morning! I totally misunderstood your message. It is snowing outside. Wow! Isn't that something? Wow! You're so sweet. Thank you so much for asking how we are doing. I will show you guys how we are living right now. I cannot believe it's snowing. I'm so happy it's nice. It's really nice. Of course it's cold. I mean, if you don't have heater or anything inside and, our house, it was indeed, a lot has to be done. Like you see there on the walls, we have many parts on the walls that are totally, we need to redo. When we have the budget, for now we are still living on the budget, and for us it's okay because we have everything that we need though. So I will show you guys how we live right now. It's like this. We have there, it's a bathtub, and I just put that stuff on the window to make it a little warmer. We have this. I don't know if you can see that. It's like it's heating up your water a little bit, so we can have a little warm shower as long as the water pressure is on, because with us in our where we are, the water goes out in the day. Mostly in the day it goes out, and in the morning and in the evening you will have water again. And so here we have our little kitchen. For us, we're just making it work. We can cook, we can have, I even have an instant pot. Like here, we have everything that we need to just have a good time. Here we made a couch from 2 mattresses. We have all kinds of lights. Let me show you. There we go. We just make it work with all kinds of the Christmas lights and stuff, because they were cheap and it's not taking so much electricity. We have a wonderful heater here, a gas heater, which is heating up pretty nice when we're on the couch. Here we got a wonderful bed from some very wonderful people here from Scotland, our beautiful friends. And for this we are just making it work. Everything is just great like this. Here we have our little music corner because we do music. And and it's snowing. I had no idea. But so sweet. Thank you so much for sending us this wonderful message. I'm very sorry I wasn't even awake yet. Half awake, and I was watching your message and I reacted immediately, and I did not understand that it was snowing. I did know that it would freeze though, but it's snowing. So cool. But I understood that in a few days the weather is going to go up, and I cannot wait to start again in the garden. So exciting. I hope you are all well. Bless you, and speak to you guys soon.